Yeah, I wanted to do a review on Rainbow. We just got this machine from Rainbow. Um, we actually we've been with this machine for working with this machine for about a month and a half. Um, One of the main reasons we got this machine is first of all, they're affordable. We did our research among different brands, and we're looking for economical, but also we're looking for quality. And we decided to go with Rainbow for the same reason that it meets our quality standards, what we want to do, and also it gives us the abilities to do our designs, what we want to do. We're beginners on this industry of embroidery. Basically, our experience with the Rainbow was very, I'll say it was very good. The shipping was great. Well, we got the machine with no defects. The machine came completely, no dents, no damages. They're very good with customs, and if you don't want to deal with the customs importing some of that stuff, you know, they do all that for you. They deliver it right to your door. Basically, the technical support is very accessible. They answer all your questions, all your concerns. If you have any issues with the machine, not work-wise, but you don't know how to work it, you send them a message. They get back to you very, very quick. It's very friendly, operational. It's touch, so it's easier than actually operating your own phone. I really recommend Rainbow. Our sales rep, his name is David. He's very attentive to all the questions that we may have. Any tricks of how to do better embroidery. So I highly recommend this machine, Rainbow. Right? If you like the information we provided, as you guys can see, you know, we have different testers, and it's actually, you know, putting out what we want to do with this machine, right? For what we want to do for our business. If you like this information, and click like on our video, and thank you for watching. Acá arriba termina el